நமது கலாச்சாரத்திற்கும் கலைக்கும் பெருமை சேர்க்கும் பரதத்தை நமக்கு விருந்தாக படைக்க வருகிறார்கள் கவிதா மற்றும் ஸ்வாதி. This is a Bharatanatyam composition in praise of Lord Muruga, the son of Lord Shiva and goddess Parvati. The dancers take the spectators through different instances in the life of Lord Muruga. From the birth of Muruga, where Parvati merged the 6 babies from 6 different lotuses from the Sharavana waters into a body with 6 heads, Shanmuga to the vanquishing of various demons, especially the slaying of the demon, Surapadman and the winning over of Valli and traversing on the peacock to bless his devotees will be the few main scenes in the dance. The Kavituvam is one of the early dances in Bharatanatyam, where the dancer brings out rigorous footwork and intense abhinaya or bhava. This Tamil composition is set to Raga, Shanmuga and Tala Rupakam.
This dance was initially choreographed for 2 people. It was myself and Kavita, who is the choreographer of the dance. Unfortunately, she felt ill and she fainted, so they took her to the hospital. Therefore, I'm taking this up as a challenge and doing it on my own. Certain parts of the dance where I pause and it's where she performs. I'm going to fill in as much as I can for her, but I'll do my level best and hope you all enjoy the dance. Thank you.
ah மலையாக தவழ்ந்து உயர்ந்தவன் மலையார தமிழ் சேவ கொடியேந்தி மகிழ்ந்த மந்தலை மறையோதும் அடியாரை மனதேந்தி உகந்தருள்பவன் மலையார தமிழார மலையார மகந்திரு